Guys, you're welcome back to Ability Concept TV. Guys, today I want to show you what Jiuhua door looks like today. These are design of the trending Jiuhua door design. These are doors that are made in Nigeria by the Chinese company in Lagos, Nigeria. These are strong doors. It comes in different design. It has the 3 feet design, the 4 feet design, and it comes in different frame size. We have the 4-inch frame size, we have the 6-inch frame size, and the 9-inch frame size. And it has this turkey design as well. This is a simple design of Jiuhua turkey door design. This is the Jiuhua turkey door design, and this is the toilet 9. This is a toilet 6 inches frame design made by Jiuhua company. This is another 3 feet design. Is a 6 inches frame door. This is another design. This is another armor door design by Jiuhua company. This wooden and steel design. This door is made of wood and steel. The frame is made with steel, while the main door is made with a wooden design. And this is another 3 feet 9 inches block armor door design. And this is another turkey luxury design. This is a great design as well. Then we have the 9 inches 4 feet design steel door. This is another 3 feet. Why this one is emergency door. It's an emergency door design. Then we have the wooden door here. We have this is another steel door. The designs of this steel door is either is the egg shape or 3 panel, 6 panel. These are the design. This white toilet door design, and this is another 4 feet steel door design. So these are great doors that you can use for your various apartments. So guys, these are all Jiuhua doors. They are made by Jiuhua company in Lagos State, and they are very strong doors. So don't forget, if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Ability Concept TV, and don't forget to click on that notification bell to get trending design, genuine confirmed door design. This is not picture, these are real doors standing. We are not giving you pictures, we are giving you the true content that is available now. So guys, these are the trending Jiuhua door design. If you want a door that are made in Nigeria by Jiuhua company, these are the trending designs that are available. So guys, thank you for watching today's video.